All right, so we practiced, we practiced some function notation with histograms, but we can also use it for bar graphs. So we have this bar graph here at the right. Would it be the correct use of function to write f of 6 equals January? Why or why not? Yeah. I mean, I could be asking the people in the video, but they're not going to talk to me right now. Okay. Why? Okay, so what is the January in this situation? Is it part of the domain or part of the range? Okay, so this is the domain. Is the domain the x's or the y's? All right, and then the number of days of snow is like the frequency of snow, right? So this is the f of x or the y, and it is the range. Okay, look at it again. Does something look a little fishy? Okay, let's go back in time. We're time traveling. Okay, so for this little function down here, okay, we found f of 9. We found 9 down here in the domain because it's an x value. And then we found its corresponding output frequency, which is an element of the range. Now, go back to the future. What happened?
This is the bar graph.
Yeah.
The x is it's like f of x, and that's the y.
Yeah. This is a big problem. Okay, so some of you are still like, I don't see what's wrong with it. Okay. Listen. Okay, this is a function rule that assigns a frequency of days of snow to each input, which is a month. Okay, so what is f of February? What is f of March? Okay, what does this even mean? Where is 6 down here? Okay, so can I do that? Okay, write it out in your own words. The input and output. We're going to say no. Hey, seriously? Okay, we switched. The input and output. So what we ended up with is really just like nonsense that doesn't have any meaning in this situation. Because we don't have any inputs that are 6 or any outputs that are January. Okay, how would you use function notation to communicate that there was 1 day of snow in November? So we saw an example of how to do it wrong. How do we do it right? F of November equals 1. Hey, that was easy enough. Is that the end? Okay. Yeah.